Hi, my name is Sean Vance. I'm one of the owners at GW Savage, and we're located in Burlington, Vermont. Derek asked me to give a testimonial, and in discussions, I think it would be best if I were to just anticipate talking directly to another contractor that's in the industry. We as a company, we were looking for an increased internet presence as well as better internet lead generation. SOS has nailed this dead on for us. I work with Maggie. Maggie contacts me on a monthly basis. She also sends me a monthly report that is Google Analytics. Those reports and those meetings are invaluable to me and our company. One of the most noticeable things that we've seen is a significant increase in our lead generation through the website and through our online leads, and that's a direct reference to SOS's work. As an owner and being in the industry for 22 years, I would recommend without a doubt SOS for their digital marketing services.